Ayan. Okay. Lagyan natin ng bakas. Bakas ng lumipas para kay Sir JD's Eat. Ayan. Sana all makapunta ng Waikiki, Hawaii. Ayan. Sir Borloloy. Okay, 3 minutes more. To be exact, 3 hours. Grabe ang init. General cleaning tayo, general cleaning. So, we have 3 minutes more to go. Before we end, we have to thank our visitors, always supporting Maricoy. Thank you so much. MH Channel, mega love shout out. Mark Ian, Suaner, mega love shout out. Normin Dabdilion, yan mga tambayers natin. Thank you so much. Reza Perwira, mega love shout out. Familia G, LTV Vlog, mega love shout out. Sir Masing TV Vlog, mega love shout out. Yer Yong, mega love shout out. MKC TV. O, sa MKC nga pala, hindi ko pa napupuntahan. Okay. Copy, sir. I'll be on your channel. Okay. Noted to, noted. Nolly Boy and Family Vlog, mega love shout out. Ma'am Christy and Ching TV, mega love shout out. Thank you so much po sa pagdalaw. Thank you so much. Bridget Refill. Si ano ito, Bridget Terefil ito. Yan. Thank you so much, Hologrape. Snap, Hologrape 1, mega love shout out. Shaw Vlogs, Agkakanat, kapatid ni Agkakanat, of course, Maricoy, Borloloy, Sir Borloloy, and JD's Eat. Yan, parang may kulang sa ano ko. Evelyn R. Kuwait, Evelyn R. Mix, ayun, wala siya, Evelyn R. Mix. Evelyn R. Mix Vlog. And that's all. Lahat na ba na shoutout ko na? At sa mga hindi ko na shoutout, pasensya na po. And thank you so much. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't notice you, Gorilla. Okay, stay tuned, Gorilla. We have to end our live, but don't worry, I'll be watching your video. Okay, Gorilla. Thank you so much. After we finish to Sir Borloloy, I'll watch for you, Gorilla. Mahina na ang mata ni Maricoy. Hindi nakita. Liit. Okay, tambay pa rin ho. Salamat sa tambay-tambay, Sir Masing. Yan. Ito si JD's Eat kasi ano to, mahaba ang video niya. Pero you have a very good ano ha. Siguro talagang ano yung kanyang camera. Very cinematic ang ano niya. Sana all. Big vlogger. Yan. Anyway, darating din tayo dyan. Sa tamang panahon. Okay, Sir Borloloy. Time is up. Thank you so much. Yan, puntahan natin si Gorilla. Don't worry, Gorilla. You know me. Even if I end my live, I see to it I finish your video. Watching video. Ay, nako, nosebleed pa. Okay. Still in the ads. Okay, Gorilla. So, anyway, thank you so much, everyone, sa inyong support. And this live will end shortly. And live and love with abundant. God bless us all. Good morning and good afternoon. Good evening to every one of you. Thank you so much for coming.